Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how the Austrian Empire formed. Follow this map of dynastic strategy and conflict to see how marriages, diplomacy, and war combined. We will outline key political moves, administrative reforms, and territorial gains that stitched varied lands into a single imperial structure. Listen for how Habsburg inheritance, military pressure, and bureaucratic centralization work together to create a durable state with complex cultural and legal arrangements. This section explains how dynastic marriages served as political tools rather than romance. Habsburg unions transferred territories and claims, creating a patchwork of domains under one ruling house. That network reduced the need for constant conquest while increasing diplomatic influence. Combined with selective warfare and treaties, dynastic strategy allowed rulers to accumulate diverse regions and titles, which later required administrative reforms to function as a coherent imperial entity. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe for more clear history videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make it easy to carry stews, soups, or salads while researching empires or packing lunch for study sessions. They save time and prevent messes, which historians certainly appreciate. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. War and bureaucracy were twin engines in state formation, not opposites. Successful campaigns secured territories that then needed efficient administration to generate revenue and maintain order. Reforms introduced standardized taxation and legal codes while accommodating regional traditions. The Habsburgs relied on local elites to implement these changes, blending coercion with cooperation. Over time, this balance transformed a loose collection of holdings into a more integrated imperial structure, capable of long-term governance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.